everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. I'm sorry, but I was MIA last week because I went for a simple dental procedure that ended up to be dental surgery. And I'm still in a little bit of pain and I have 2 more follow-up appointments, but it's actually the first time that I didn't post my weekly videos, and yeah, I couldn't. I was just in so much agony. I don't know about you, but I mean, the dentist is just, it's brutal for me, and it just seems to get worse with age. But anyways, that's why I was MIA. So I have something exciting to share with you guys. So I have been looking for this bag for, I don't know, a few years anyways. When it first came out, I had seen it, and again, you know, here in Vancouver, it sells out really fast. And it was just one of those bags that I was like, oh, okay, well, you know, if I ever see it on the pre-love market. And I have seen it, but it's been marked up quite a bit. But recently, it seems like all of these bags from that year have come down. Now, it came in a box and everything, but you know, me and box unopenings are just, you know, don't do too well. So I've already taken out the box and I've already seen it and I've used it. But she said this was the original dust bag for this bag. And let's get right to it. It is this absolutely, where is it here? Gorgeous Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene Paillettes. Yeah, I think it's that. I'm so bad with these names, but I think it's, yeah, it's the oh my gosh, everybody's gonna laugh at me. The Paillette bag? I don't know, something like that. You'll see it in my description. But this bag is just, it is so gorgeous. And it's from the pre-fall 2013, so it's 11 years old. And I got this from one of my haunts in downtown Vancouver, which is the consignment pre-loved places. And I've been actually stocking it for about 6 months. And it went on sale in, I think, June, before I left for my trip with Portugal. And I just, you know, wasn't going to buy it when I went to Portugal. And I came back. It hadn't gone on sale. So I went down there. And the thing about people talk about, you know, making relationships with sales associates, you know, at these designer places. Well, I think you should make relationships with the people at consignment stores, because you know what? They're really fabulous. And I have developed relationships with the 3 stores that I go to in Vancouver. Anyway, she ended up giving me the sale price for this gorgeous, gorgeous bag. It came with the lock and key. It looks like it's actually never, ever been used. And it is the Speedy 30. It is the limited edition, and I got the navy blue. And they came in 3 colors. It was navy blue, Bordeaux, and black. And this has always been my one that I've actually looked to purchase, because it's just, I love navy blue, and this is just gorgeous. And it comes with the rolled calf leather handles, so there's no vachetta to worry about. It doesn't have feet at the bottom, but it comes with a the leather panel. And I'm hoping the camera will pick up how it shines here, but I will be, or have my daughter put up some videos that I took today. That was on a cloudy day in Vancouver, and it's still, it sparkles. So it is just gorgeous. And it's with the, obviously the gold hardware. and it comes with the key clochette, and you can just hear that leather. So the inside comes with the just trying to feel here because I can't see. I'm actually filming at night, which I never do. I film like during the day. Oh, here it is. So right there, it says that it's pre-fall 2013. I'm hoping you guys can see that. Right there. Now the inside, I was told that it is actually suede for this Damier Ebene. And you know what, guys? It actually feels like suede. The zipper works perfectly. Comes with the leather tab, and it's right there. So pretty. So, like I said, this is one bag that I have been coveting for many, many years, and I was able to find it at a really good price. And it came with the, which I opened, with the original dust bag, which, you know what, looks brand new. But I am ecstatic to have this bag. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. And I've counted, so the sequins in each square, so there's 5 sequins, and then it's by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 25 sequins, you can see there, per square. And then when you go up here, it's actually four sequins per square. But the detail that Louis Vuitton has done is just, it's incredible. And you know what, you guys, if you can believe, this is a 11-year-old bag, like, and I still love it after seeing it, you know, 11 years ago on the runway. I still love it. And you might be wondering if the sequins will catch with anything, but it is really, it's smooth. And from what I understand, like, they're individually sewn, but you know what, don't quote me on that. You know, you hear so many different things on the internet, but just feeling it, it is such quality made. So yeah, this is my latest edition, and I love it. I've already worn it a few times, and it'll be one of those bags that I wear in the fall, and then, you know, at Christmas time you go to holiday parties and things like that. So did I show you guys the zipper? I always get like that when I'm so excited to show a bag. It's like but this zipper, like, everything about this bag is butter smooth. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I'm so happy. And this is the Speedy 30. So I am just so happy to have it. And it took me a long time, many years of looking. And I think that I got it, first of all, a really good deal, and a really, like, I don't know, I'm going to say pristine condition. Because if you look at it, it's like, I don't think the person that owned this before me actually ever used it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you back again in my next video. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.